You were really inspiring him to kickstart his
pretty good
tourist community.
Still drunk. Still drunk.
So, just finished staying with our old friend that we stayed with last year, and it was phenomenal. It was so stupid cheap. I don't understand how he's able to do it. But yeah, now we're gonna go check out the city and enjoy the rest of Lake Ohrid, and yeah, have some more fun in the sun.
We put everyone's name into a pot and you have to pick someone's name out. You've got to spend between 500 and 1,000 lek, and we're coming to all these places to buy second-hand crazy stuff. You got to get one item for your person. It can be as crazy as you want or as boring as you want, but we want crazy.
Hey guys, what's it like being digital nomads?
So hard. It's so...
Is this like a standard office view for you? Or does it change every day, like, I guess?
Well, no, at some point it doesn't really impress anymore.
Yeah, it's kind of shit.
I mean, when you're an influencer, this is just what you have to deal with.
So as you can see, it's nice and sunny over here. It's been good today, and we had bad weather the past few days, but it's literally been a roller coaster. We were going to head over there this evening to watch sunset from the monastery, but as you can see, there is a storm that is now heading our way. We are about to go and book the ferry to Italy.
So Max, Becca, James, and Joey are off to go take care of the ferry, and I will be a good housewife and carry on the homestead and make a Albanian-style jambalaya, which hopefully will be tasty.
Well, what's happened?
Both the girls have been listed as males, so the mini is all men.
London Ward? Who is London Ward?
Luke!
89,000 lek, which is a lot of euros.
It's funny because last year, by the time we came back, Marius, our German, was like, "Oh, come stay at my place," and now
this year, this German also said, "Come and stay at my place."
So every year we need a German that lives in that area of Germany and just takes us on the way back.
The bottom looks really good. We have a little bit of an oil leak, but it's kind of to be expected.
Luke grabbed it. Who for who?
Wait, no. So in honour of Big Tim leaving, as he was one of the first to join this MAYhem trip, all the guys are shaving. Some are going for weird styles, some are just clean shaving. See how that works out.
Ah, it hasn't happened yet.
Whoa!
Just turned 10 years younger.
Yeah. Max, what you doing?
Oh, I'm just here with my bamboo razor blade. Yeah, we're shaving in honor of Tim's leaving. The only thing I've ever done apart from clean shaven was mutton chops, and as you can see, beards aren't really a thing for me. We'll see how it goes. I'll come back to you in 5.
Okay.
Half an hour. Like.
How do you like your outfit, by the way? Oh,
You look like closer to Jack the Ripper than I imagined. Seems to be getting there, bit by bit.
So we are about to go out for dinner. We're all wearing our thrift outfits that we bought for each other. And yeah, we're about to hit the town.
What's just?
You look so miserable.
What's up, bub?
Just left the roof. Feel hungover?
It is May 19th.
No, it's not. It's May the 29th.
Oh, it isn't. It's May the 29th.
If you hadn't noticed, today is actually put a pillow on your fridge day. So we're gonna get this pillow and put it on the fridge.
He's in.
Oh yeah, you can see this tattoo.
Is that real?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That's so cool.
This was like your family on this property before,
No,
or?
I born here, not here. I born like not even 500 meters from here. But then I moved over here. I put the ground, and the bunker happened to be on that territory. So, but used to have a lot of bunkers from here to the lake down there. They probably were like 230. But I like my bunker. Yeah, go ahead. What do you want?
Oh no, I'm just trying to figure out
like,
where.
figuring
like,
out where.
Where do you want to put it? Tell me about it.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Maybe like I don't know. Where would you put it?
The second one, I've been here for like 15 years working, and you are the second one to choose bunker.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want something to like take Albania with me, but I don't want it to be explicitly like the flag or something.
No, you choose. I think you choose the right one.
Do you know the reason why these bunkers were specifically built?
Yes, of course. These bunkers are built 1973. This one, particularly this one. But they started building since 1960s, you know? And they ended like 1985. They were built along because communism fell. But you know, they built for protection, you know, because they felt always. They were more like paranoia.
Yeah.
You know, like more paranoia, you know?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put?
I'm thinking like right around here.
Yeah?
Yeah. I had some pretty rough ones.
Oh yeah?
Well, just this one right here was really painful. The worst of that. The worst one.
Position.
Yes.
I would go for this position and then you.
Definitely.
Like real tattoo.
That will stick.
Yeah, I think maybe just right there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. It's one thing for sure, it's a real way to cure a hangover.
That's the best. I hope you're gonna have a nice journey back home.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, it's
So we are watching our Albanian tattoo friend who just gave me my first tattoo today, and Michelle's tattoo there, and Becca's feet, which are under her socks. So yeah, we just saw him today, and now we're watching the Vice documentary about him.
And then from there to Belgium. Something like that.
That sounds pretty good.
Your turn, man.
Fucking dope. Yeah, no, I really need to.
And I was like, I want to get it here. He was like, you can't get it here. You can't go, oh hey. And I was like, deep down inside, I was like, no, that's exactly what I wanted for.
Rock and roll, man. And then Luke over here, he's been like giving me a real hard time, so I wanted to punch him in the face like this. Just this. Punch him in the face like this. No, not the Macarena. Like, yeah, punch.